Hi, this is Asani Beauty. Thank you so much for stopping by and choosing my channel. Today's video is going to be a walkthrough on how I fill in my brows. The products that I use are Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, a Tarte dual-ended brow brush, and I use LA Girl Pro Concealer and an e.l.f. blending brush. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, as you can see, I have my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in chocolate. That's the color that best suits me. Beauty experts say that your brow color should be in line with your hair color, maybe one shade lighter. Alright, so the first thing that I do is take the spoolie end of my Tarte brush and I'm going to comb my brow hairs up. Alright, the second thing I'm going to do is take that Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, and I'm going to start filling in, not at the front of my brow, but almost close to where my arch is. And then I'm going to do small strokes going back towards the tail. And so what I like to do is put the majority of the product at the bottom of the brows and my bottom line, and then also towards the tail. What's left, I take it to the front and feather out, because I feel that you should have the majority of the product towards the tail and it faded out towards the front. So that's pretty much what I do here. Alright, and just watch me kind of build them and build them. And sometimes I do go outside of the line of my hair, because I know once I start with my makeup and eyeshadow and all the blending that I do, that outline is going to fade away, right? Alright, so there I am doing the same thing on that other brow there, on my left brow, and I'm just going in. My bottom line is going to have the most product on it, and then I'm going to go and work the rest. You see, I don't go back into my product too many times. I kind of just use what's on the brush. Alright, and just kind of watch me work that through. That's how I do mine. Also, guys, just to let you know, I do my own brow maintenance, and there is a video. If you look up here, there's a video to where I can show you how I do my own brow maintenance at home, so definitely check that video out. I also have a video on 5 tips to keep your skin clear and looking healthy, and also I put out a brush, how to keep your brushes clean as well. So alright, let's see here. So I pretty much have the shape of my brow filled in. Pretty good. It doesn't have to be super perfect, because you're going to etch it out. Here I am with the LA Girl Pro Concealer here. And on my own personal products, I'll go ahead and just use the applicator there. It goes on pretty well, and apply it directly to the skin. For clients, I would use just an angled brush to apply the product. So what I'm going to do is, I'm only going to put the concealer on my bottom line, because I feel like at this point I don't really need to do the top. I can just kind of blend that out once I put my foundation on, so I don't really do concealer at the top. So I'm using an e.l.f. blending brush, and this is the black handle brushes, are $3 I want to say, and I'll post the link to that brush in the description box, as well as the other products. And also to let you know, any links that you click on in my description box, or if you go to my blog asanibeauty.com, there will be affiliate links in my articles, blog posts, and also in my videos. And what that means is, if you click on those links, those affiliate links to products, and if you purchase, a portion of those proceeds does go back to Asani Beauty LLC, which in turn goes into the channel, and also the blog, and also the makeup business as well, to keep that going, and to also bring informed of how to quality reviews and videos to you. So definitely feel free to go ahead and click in those links and support the channel and the beauty movement. Alright, so I have laid down my concealer, and then I'm using that e.l.f. Brush to go ahead and blend out that midsection there and try to get it to as matching as possible. So that's pretty much how I lay down my brows. And like I said again, I do have like a trace on it, but when I lay down my foundation, that is going to be faded out by the blending. So since I laid down a cream conceal product, what I'm going to do is set my brows, and then I'm using a BH Cosmetics finishing powder in 250, setting powder in 250 there, and I'm just using that same e.l.f. blending brush, concealer blending brush, to set that there. And I really love the way that powder lays against my skin. It gives it a more natural look there, like I don't really have a concealer on. And I think that's important because with makeup, we want to look more natural and less etched or sketched. But if that's how you like your brows, then good for you. I noticed that mine are a little etched and sketched, but what I try to do is follow the pattern of my brow hair. So that's just how God made it, and that's what I'm gonna roll with. So you do the same. Alright, you guys, and that's pretty much how I lay down my brows with the concealer on there. The next step would be to just go ahead and lay down your foundation or put your eyeliner on and mascara and go from there. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this, go ahead and hit that button. Thank you.